Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering, segment House Improvement. So this wall is now dry, but I need to sand this wall, and this wall needs to be have its wallpaper removed. So due to Corona and being partially laid off, and at the same time having help available, I want to use that as much as possible. So being able to use machine tools during the normal working hours, and also getting help now when it's available. So I will need to clean this mess up, and if you've seen my super episodes, then you know that I've switched garage. So a lot of these things comes from the garage, and well, I need to do a quick sorting. I also have these garbage bags filled with old wallpaper and other crap, so I would need to take those away. So I will do that today, but I don't want to waste working hours on that, because I can do that later on today. So I think I will do a rough sorting and move the shelves to the middle of the room to clear up the other wall. Maybe even drill a hole in the wall, because I need to run my network cable. And then I will start sanding this wall. It has a lot of bubbles, so we'll see what happens with those. I bought quite coarse sandpaper, 60 grit, which I will, it's on a roll, so I will be able to use a big piece of wood to make corrections to the wall. I will also do that on this wall, and once I'm happy with that, hopefully this will be able to tear through the bubbles. Maybe it's hard to see, but so that and then I will do another coat of spackel on this wall. I bought more spackel as well, and yeah, so coarse grit, long bore, same on that wall. This wall will require less work. Move the stuff inwards, fix the other walls, wallpaper. There's a lot of work left to do. So let's get started. So that was pretty much a sanding episode, and the long sanding block wasn't really serious. I knew that it would be it's not stiff enough for that length, so even if it's straight it will deform a little. So yeah, and it's not really convenient to use it, but it was fun to try, and why not, since I had sanding paper and I had a piece of wood that would work for it. But the idea was to take down the more coarse stuff, which are quite easy to take off, so I don't waste the sanding paper on the machine. And the sanding machine you saw me using was of the brand Meec, M-E-E-C, sold by Jula. So it's a 225 millimeter diameter sanding disc or sandpaper, and it works quite okay, but it becomes heavy after a while since the machine needs to be up in the sanding head. The transmission would be a bit tricky, I guess, if you were to have the machine somewhere else. And it's moving along step by step. So yeah, I guess I would see you in the next episode. At least I hope so. So in order for that to happen, it's a good thing if you subscribe, and it's even better if you have the energy to press the like button. I really appreciate it. But until then, stay safe, take care, and bye.